Trump Georgia case. First hearing scheduled after disqualification ruling. Atlanta. Fulton County Superior Court Judge Scott McAfee has scheduled a hearing on March 28 in connection to the Georgia election interference case for one motion filed by former President Donald Trump's attorney and two motions filed on behalf of David Schaefer. This is the first hearing since McAfee's ruling on the motions to disqualify Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis and her office from prosecuting Trump and his co-defendants in connection to alleged interference in the 2020 Georgia presidential election. McAfee ruled at that time that either Willis or Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade would need to step aside for the case to proceed. A few hours later, Wade submitted his presentation. After the ruling, a motion requesting a certificate of review was submitted and granted by McAfee, meaning the Georgia Court of Appeals will decide if it wishes to review McAfee's decision. However, McAfee stated that he would continue handling motions as needed before the trial, which has yet to be scheduled. Other related stories. Fulton County DA Fani Willis says despite efforts to slow down Trump case, the train is coming. Fulton County DA Fani Willis claims she's only DA with courage to prosecute Trump. Former President Donald Trump's motion. The motion filed by Trump's team on December 18 argues that the criminal solicitation counts should be demurred for failing to allege the oath of office or the portion of the oath they solicited Georgia officials to violate. Additionally, the motion claims the prosecution is attempting to violate their First Amendment rights and that the statutes are unconstitutional as applied. Click to open this PDF in a new window. David Schaefer's motion. Schaefer's motion requests dismissing all charges against him on the basis that his actions were lawful. Schaefer, a prominent figure in Georgia's political landscape, was accused of playing a key role in organizing fake electors in the state. He claims he was trying to comply with legal counsel advice and the former Federal Electoral Count Act at the time. Related. Who is David Schaefer? Former chair for Georgia GOP indicted with Donald Trump. Regarding the RICO charge against Schaefer, the motion argues that even viewing the allegations favorably to the state, the charge is fatally defective for failing to establish a pattern of alleged racketeering activity. Schaefer also requests striking phrases like duly elected and qualified presidential electors, false electoral college votes, and lawful electoral votes from the indictment, claiming the prosecution's indictment is riddled with conclusory legal assertions that should be addressed by the court or the jury at trial. Trump and his co-defendants were indicted in August 2023 after a 2-1/2-year investigation by the Fulton County District Attorney. Since then, 4 of the defendants have agreed to plea deals. Trump and the remaining co-defendants have pled not guilty. 6 of the charges were dismissed by McAfee on March 13. However, the state has the option to re-indict the defendants on the dismissed charges if it chooses to do so. 3 of those charges were against Trump. When is the hearing? The hearing will occur at 10 a.m. in Judge McAfee's courtroom. Interested parties may attend in person or via Zoom.